This knowledge-based resource summarises selecting the project type, whether a one-off, ongoing, or a project with multiple data collection periods. Once you have selected your audit criteria, the sites where the evidence implementation project will be conducted, and participants to assist with your project, it is time to select the type of project you will be conducting. The project type is essentially where you choose how you will be collecting your data. For a one-off project, where you can create a one-off project for a specified data collection period, select the start date by clicking on the calendar tool. This is optional. And then you are able to select the sampling type, either target sample size, ad hoc, or consecutive sampling. This is explained in further detail in the next tutorial. Click on Create Project. For an ongoing project, select Create an ongoing project where data collection happens continuously over weeks, months, or years. Select the start date by clicking on the calendar tool, which is optional, and select the sampling type, whether target sample size, ad hoc, or consecutive sampling. Click on the Create Project. For a project that will have multiple data collection periods, and this will be where you may want to have a comparison, such as a pre-test, post-test study, or as part of an audit and feedback project, or for a quality improvement cycles. Select the start date once again by clicking on the calendar tool, which is optional, and select the sampling type. Under Schedule Data Collection Period, enter the frequency for data collection, whether this is daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And then enter the total number of data collection periods that you want. So in this case, I would like 2 data collection periods. And now you can see that I have dates for a baseline, audit, and a follow-up cycle. Select your data collection date ranges using the calendar tools. These dates can also be entered retrospectively. Once you have chosen your project type and entered the required information, click on Create Project.